Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing y'all how I got this easy passing twist for beginners doing the rubber band method. Stay tuned.
Loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love being you, baby, you are a queen.
So jumping right into this video, I'm using the Easy 18-inch Passion Twist hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually split this hair in half, and I'm just going to use it like this. I'm going to go ahead and make my part, and I'm just going to start the process. I already did the back portion, and I just want to show you guys how to do the front portion. So I am using the Edge Boosters Gel, Edge Gel, and I'm just going to apply that to make my hair lay down and more neater looking. So as you see, I had that split, and then I actually combined my two hairs together, and then I'm just going to be adding the rubber band on there. I'm going to be securing it, and I'm going to make it tight, and then I'm just going to start twisting it. So that's the easiest way I feel that you could do a passion twist or even braids. So what I'm doing here is just repeating the whole process. I have my hair split. Like I said, I actually put the hair in the middle. I combine my hair. I apply the rubber band. I'm making it tight, and then I just start to twist. So you do want to make sure that you do twist as tight as you can. When you do twist tight, it will actually unravel and become poofier, as you see on the other parts of my hair, and that is okay. That's how it's supposed to look. So again, I'm just going to be twisting all the way down, and I'm just going to be repeating this same process all over again. To give y'all a little more details about this hair, I did get at least like seven or 8 packs of hair. I started off with only like 6 packs of hair, y'all, and I thought I had enough, but unfortunately I didn't because how thick my hair is. So I did have to go back and get some more. So if you want to be on the safer side, it is best to just go ahead and get like 7 or 8 packs of hair, depending on how thick your hair is. These packs of hair was about $9.99 a pack, so you do the math. Yes, it did get a little more expensive as I kept going back to get more, but it's okay. I'm loving the ending results. So anyway, so as you see here, I'm just gonna be twisting down, and I'm actually getting towards the end of the hair. If you want to know more details on this hair, I will leave some information in my description box as well. So right now I am oiling my scalp using the Design Essentials Scalp Care Oil, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Have a blessed day.